please, please, please get an oil catch can. What's going on YouTube? It's Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. Bring you guys another video. Okay guys, so I'm in the middle of my turbo build. As you can see, big turbo build. Make sure you check out the video on a full install coming soon. Or maybe this video might be before it. But guys, I decided to do an oil change. As you can see, if you look under the car, I'm doing an oil change. Oil is dripping down, right? So I decided to do an oil change, and I said, you know what, let me go ahead and check out my oil catch can. I haven't checked it in a while. And guys, I know I've done this video a million times. This is my oil catch can. As you can see, it's coming from right there to right here. But man, I just had to do this video, and I'm very passionate about this, guys. If you have an Audi, BMW, any Euro car, any car in general, if you want your car to last a long time, get a freaking oil catch can. Look what's inside of my car. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It's just gunks of stuff. I'm gonna drip it out so you guys can kind of see. It's just gunks of stuff. It's unburned fuel, unburned gas. Just look at that, guys. This will be in your engine. Look at that. It's almost like one of those satisfying videos. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Please stop playing. Get a noise catch can. This would have been in my freaking engine. This is insane. So yeah, guys, look at that. I'm gonna have to clean that out. Milkshake, whatever, sludge, gunk from my oil catch can, from my blow by. Please get one of these, guys. This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. Peace, I'm out. All right, YouTube. It's been long waiting, guys. I know it looks a little messy right now, but I have the car completely hooked up.